I've actually had issues with renting these units because you walk in and people are getting dizzy. So like you can imagine you walk into a unit, all of a sudden you start going like this. What's going on here? So I had to get it done to obviously one, ensure the safety of the tenants, but also just to make it comfortable for the tenants. So it was either a choice of leaving it, letting it sink into the ground, right, more because it wasn't stopping, right, or fixing it. The true level concrete solution was a win-win solution for me and for you guys, right? Right, to the best of my knowledge, I think it's the first apartment building to be lifted with like the tenants in it, pretty much. Not during the lift, but generally speaking, right? So I'm happy we were able to fix it and reconnect the two parts of the buildings. The front was on its own, and the back kind of tilted away, so we just put it back. Right? So that's about it. But the guys did a great job, right? And Alex, the crew chief, good guy. I mean, these guys were working their butts off, right? And there were a few stumbling blocks, like extra huge footings and stuff like that. Even on the inside of the building, we thought we had footings in some places, like in the kitchen area, and there was no footing there. It was just a big blob of concrete. So Alex had to figure out a solution for that. We talked to the Jew engineer and the structural engineer to figure out if they were willing to put the pile there. So we worked together to make that happen, right? And I had my crew too as well to kind of help. And feedback we got from the tenants was that I walked into my unit and I was like, it's straight. We had to get it done to obviously one, ensure the safety of the tenants, but also just to make it comfortable for the tenants.